reflection passes through focus, passes through focus, passes through focus. स्फेरिकल मिरर लिख दिए हैं तो कॉन्वेक्स और कॉन्केव का दोनों अलग इमेज बना दे रहे हैं. ये देख लीजिए, कॉन्केव मिरर हो गया स्फेरिकल मिरर, एक कॉन्केव स्फेरिकल मिरर हो गया, और ये हो गया कॉन्वेक्स स्फेरिकल मिरर. ये आपका पोल हो गया, ये आपका सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर हो गया, ये फोकस हो गया, इसमें ये पोल हो गया, ये सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर होगा और ये फोकस हो जाएगा. फर्स्ट रूल जो व्हेन रेज ऑफ लाइट पैरेलल टू प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, देखिए इंसिडेंट रेज जो बनाए हैं पैरेलल टू प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस है, तो क्या होगा, आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन पासेस थ्रू द फोकस, ऐसे बनेगा. यहां पे भी हम दिखा रहे हैं रेज ऑफ लाइट, क्या होगा, यहां से रिफ्लेक्ट बैक हो जाएगा. बट वी appears these rays of light coming from focus, these rays of light coming from the focus. एक चीज हो गई. सेकेंड आपका है इसमें when rays of light passes through focus. Second point, when rays of light passes through focus, then after reflection parallel to principal axis, principal axis रेज डायग्राम देख लीजिए, इसमें भी हम बना दे रहे हैं. दिस इज कॉन्केव मिरर, दिस इज कॉन्वेक्स मिरर, पोल, सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर, फोकस, पोल, सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर, एंड दिस इज फोकस. When rays of light passes through focus, you see this incident rays passes through focus, then after reflection what happen, parallel to principal axis, ये हो जाएगा. Here you can see these rays of light you see passes through the focus. Then after reflection what happened, parallel to principal axis. You see like this rays diagram are formed. Third point, when rays of light when rays of light passes through center of curvature, you see the diagram in this case. This is concave mirror and that is convex mirror. Pole, center of curvature, focus, pole, center of curvature, focus. Any one rays of light passes through center of curvature, you see. This is incident rays. Then what happen? They can reflect back with the same path. मीन्स जिस पाथ से वह इंसिडेंट करेगा उसी पाथ से वह रिफ्लेक्ट भी कर जाएगा. हियर ऑल्सो यू कैन सी this rays of light passes through the focus. Then after this what happens? They can return back with the same path. Then when rays of light passes through the center of curvature, then after reflection passes through the same path, means these rays of light does not reflected. Does not reflected. And last one more point here I discuss. That's one you can see here. This one, fourth point, when ray of light incident on pole, then after reflection back, making the same angle with principal axis. After reflection, back, making same angle with principal axis. With the principal axis. You see here, this is your concave mirror, spherical mirror, pole, center of curvature, and that is focus. When any one rays incident at the pole, then what happen? These can form same angle. Means if this is angle of incidence is theta, then angle of reflection also theta. If angle of incidence is theta, then angle of reflection also theta. In case of convex spherical mirror, this is the pole, center of curvature, focus, incident, this one. If this is angle theta, then that is also angle theta. Then these four rules needed to formation of image. And after this I will discuss here how image formed in by concave spherical mirror and how image is formed by convex mirror. There all these points are needed, which one I taught at 8 or revised at 8. Okay student, then next I will see today which one I will discuss. In this way same I will make the video. Okay student, today only this much, and next today in live class which one I will take, I will make again video and I will send you. Okay, thank you.